you excited to make banana biscuits?
Yeah, sure. I'm so excited.
Okay. Okay, so we're making banana biscuits. Get up, Rebecca. Rebecca, do you not want to make these biscuits?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well then get up. Okay, so we're gonna make banana biscuits. Bananas have 2 times more vitamin A than regular apples. They have 2 times more iron. They're very, very healthy. Do you like bananas?
Hold on.
What?
That.
Okay, so you need to peel these now. We have 3 bananas, right?
Okay.
So let's count quickly. 1,
2,
2,
1,
1, 2, 3. 3 bananas.
Yeah, 3 bananas. There are so many.
3 bananas are a lot of bananas. So we're gonna take the fork, not the flour yet. We're gonna take the fork and we're gonna mash up all the bananas. Mash it all up.
Mash it up now.
Yeah, so mash it up now? I think it's good. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of organic sugar. Pour it in. No, not fine. Why don't you just pour it in? Just pour the whole bowl in. Take the whole bowl, pour it in. Here, take this. We need more than just a pinch. Take this bowl, put it in there.
Banana.
Okay, let's put all the sugar in there.
All in there.
All of it. Okay, Tatia's gonna pour it in. Ready? Can you mix? Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay. Finally. Mix it, mix it. Good?
Good.
Is it all mixed in? Yeah, sugar's all mixed in. Okay, so what are we putting next? Don't know? Okay, well we're gonna put butter.
We're going to put butter now.
Come back up. Okay, so we're putting in half a cup of butter. Half a cup. You're gonna help me? Okay. So I'm breaking it up into little pieces so that it's easier to mix together. Put it in? Okay, so that's half a cup. So let's get the mixer. Thank you. Okay, Becca, ready? We gotta be careful. Yep, now it's done. What else are we gonna put it in now? The flour? Yeah, we have to put the flour. So 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. Okay. What else do we have to put in here?
This.
Yeah, the oats.
And the oats.
So we're gonna put.
That's our oats.
Those are the oats. Rolled oats. We're gonna put in half a cup of rolled oats.
Yeah.
You want to grab the oats?
Yeah.
Okay, grab them and put them in the bowl. Okay, put them in. All right, we got it in the bowl. So we're gonna mix that together.
Make this one.
And then what's that?
I don't know.
That's half a cup of coconut.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the coconut in now. Go ahead. Okay. That's coconut.
Yeah, that's coconut. Those are
So we're gonna mix till it's all mixed together. Clean this up. Okay, this is what we're gonna cook the banana biscuit on. Cover that in butter.
You put it now? Now put it on.
Now we're gonna put it on the pan. So you want to take a tablespoon of batter. Okay. And just put it on the pan. Right in that. Put it in this pile. There you go. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna put it in the oven that was warming at 220, and then as soon as we put it in the oven, we're gonna turn it down to 200, and we're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Okay, they should be good enough to eat now. Oh, careful. Nice and fluffy. You wanna try that one?
So hot. It's really hot.
It's a little hot still, yeah. Mmm. Try a little bit, it's good. Try a little bit. Just a little. You like it?